It's time to decorate another tree. Today I'm going to be doing just a simple ribbon method because I want this tree to be full of all of my family's ornaments. For this tree tutorial, we're going to be using 6 different wired ribbons, and I cut them into 7/8 yard pieces. What we're going to want to do is on the flat edge, you're going to gather it like this, and we're going to tuck it really deep into the tree. I want to go all the way to the back, and I'm just going to use a piece of pine to twist around it. Now I'm going to bring this like a big loop outward, and we'll kind of cover up where that is in there. Make one big loop, and then we're going to pinch it down here, and I'm going to tuck this pretty deep down in there also. That way the ribbon is just kind of peeking out here and there, because I want my ornaments to be the main thing that's showing. And then I just have my tail that I did a little dove cut on, which is kind of peeking out like that. So I am going to be doing mine slightly angled, not straight down, but you can do it however you want. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab my next ribbon, and I'm going to gather it, and I'm going to come down a little bit, but I'm going to keep the same angle. So I'm going to tuck this kind of in so it's out of sight. Let's see if I can help you guys see a little bit more. I'm just going to have this one little loop showing, and then take the rest of the ribbon pretty far back and twist it in. And I want these branches to show. I want mainly the tree and the ornaments showing, with just little hints of ribbon coming out. And that is it. That's all you do. And you just keep going all the way around your tree until it gets full. Alright, so I finished adding the ribbon into this tree. Don't come at me in the comments. I know I only used a little bit of ribbon. That's the point. This is not a ribbon Christmas tree. I want the ornaments to show. So that's why I only have a little bit of ribbon peeking out here and there. You can always add more ribbon with the same technique if you want. This is the look that I'm going for my tree. So next I'm gonna add the tree topper bow. If you would like a tree topper bow, we custom make them at shopdesignerdiy.com. We have some that are already listed for sale, but if you don't see one that you like, if you hurry and place your order, we can hurry and get it to you before Christmas. I put my tree topper bow on, and then I stuck some nutcrackers. They're kind of hard to see. There's one here. I stuck my son's nutcrackers in the tree this year. So now I just need to wait till my kids come home and we can put the rest of the ornaments on.